We're going to be taking Puppy to the pool, so we decided to go with this new harness for him. It's they call it the EasySport. This one is an extra small. Goes over his little head. This side goes through his foot, and then the rest of it just comes around the side of his body. And it's high visibility, which I like. It's gives him plenty of movement, and it's adjustable. I like all of that. But the main reason we got this one is because of this nice handle on the back. And if he's going to be anywhere near the water, we want to make sure that we've got a good, secure way to get him out of the, if he's having some issues with swimming. So this is his new water and river and boat harness, and he seems to like it. It's a little less bulky than some of the other ones, and the main feature for me is this nice handle. It's also nice for when he's walking on a lead, because it pulls him from the center of his back. Hope this helps.